Is your mattress sagging? Don't worry. We have some tips to help you get it back in shape. Let's get started. One way to deal with a sagging mattress is by flipping or rotating it. If your mattress is sinking around the middle or where you usually sleep, it's a sign that the materials have broken down over time with repeated use. Keep in mind that not all mattresses are designed to be flipped. If yours is one-sided, simply rotate it 180 degrees so you can sleep on a part of the bed that is still supportive and durable. Sometimes, the real issue isn't the mattress itself, it's your foundation. Take a closer look. Does it have proper central support, like extra legs in the middle or sturdy beams? If you use a slat base, make sure there are no wide gaps and that the weight is distributed evenly. If the foundation is worn out and the bed is overcompensating, push comes to shove, it may be time for a replacement. Mattress toppers are an easy quick fix to change the feel of your bed, especially if it's starting to sag. By adding an extra layer on top, you can restore some surface support and get extra cushioning. To be clear, if your mattress has a deep dip, a topper is only a temporary band-aid to keep the problem at bay. When it's truly time for a new bed, we're here to help. Here's a quick hack for a temporary fix. Place extra pillows. While pillows won't fix a sagging mattress, they can help compensate for the lack of support by supporting your neck, knees, or lower back to ensure proper alignment. If you need more tips on sleep science, mattress knowledge, and all things bedroom, head over to bedstory.com to learn more.